Hey there folks, welcome to the Auto Universe. We'll start off today's news with the commemorating a decade of factory custom with limited editions Mopar 19 Dodge Challenger. But before we get into the news, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button to keep you up to date with the latest auto news and reviews. Now, let's get right into the news. Mopar has long been Dodge's in-house performance group for go-fast parts and look-fast accessories. This year marks the 10th anniversary of the brand's touch on the enduring Challenger, which itself celebrates over a decade of continuous production and success in the modern Detroit muscle car arena. As such, Dodge offers up yet another special edition versions of its Never Say Die two-door called simply the Mopar 19 Dodge Challenger. But before we get more in-depth, let me know in the comment section below, are you a Mopar guy like me or a Chevy guy also like me? The latest is also based on the Dodge Challenger, specifically the 2019 Challenger RT Scat Pack, and will be limited to just 100 units, with 90 of those earmarked for the United States and the rest for Canada. Oh, it will also be limited to just white or black exteriors. Buyers won't have any say on the powertrain, which is the RT Scat Pack's 6.4-liter V8, good for a 485 horsepower and 475 pound-feet of torque, paired to either a 6-speed manual or an 8-speed automatic. The upgrades are primarily for appearance, though Mopar does provide a few mechanical tweaks as well. The highly visible Mopar shakedown graphics will catch the eye first, materializing here with the blue center stripes that bend around Mopar Cool Shaker hood package. The exterior also get a hood pins, a decklit spoiler, and 20-inch wheels with Mopar branded center caps. Inside isn't quite as dressed up, though you will find polished door sill plates with Challenger emblazoned on them. Mopar badging on the dash and seats reminds driver and passenger that this is a special Mopar blessed ride. To ensure the car stands out from the throng of regular Challengers on the road, Mopar adds graphics package for the exterior and Mopar logos on the seats, as you already know. Finally, a badge rating Mopar 19 is added to the dash near the air vent on the front passenger side. Dealers will start accepting orders on the Mopar 19 Challenger in September, and anyone who wants one will need at least $45,835. As a bonus, each owner will receive a special package that includes a birth certificate with the exact date of manufacture and the unique build number. So if you ask, who does this birth certificate belongs to? Well, obviously the Mopar 19 Challenger. Yeah.